Now we're gonna shoot 5 rounds, 200 meters, change to the still target. That'd be comfortable. All right, 200 meters, still target. Good to have air protection. $200, still target. There you go. Bullseye. Yeah, it's shaking. Shaking a little bit. Bullseye. Again. All 5 hits. This scope only till 6 magnification. So I can see some piece of steel, but it's kind of far away. It's not it's low magnification, but very clear, nice optic. There you go, all 5. All 5 hits. 200 meters and a change. All right, guys. It's super dark. Incredible dark, so we'll see how does a designator work. I hit it. That's how you night shooting. It's very visible by when you know where the target is. I hit it. Hit it again. I hit it. That's how the designator works. See? It can be bigger light, and that's to illuminate everything. You can more bigger light, when it's more darker you can see more. Usually animals have eyes, it's reflecting. That's how you shoot by designator. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Gun is unloaded, nothing in the chamber, empty. So that's how you shoot by AUC. Designator all the way there. It's hard to see, but it's where you know where's the target. When you know where the target is, perfect. Unbelievable. That's how you shoot the knights. I hit it from 5 rounds. I hit it 3 because the target is swimming, and that's why I couldn't catch it. This because I designate small amount. It's not that easy, but it's way possible. I surprised to hit 3 times from 5. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and let me know what you think.